Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Suku and Chiku. Today we are going to see an interesting episode through which you will learn how to divide numbers by 9 very quickly. So we are going to provide you with 5 examples. We are going to take 5 numbers and show you how you can divide any number by 9 in a fraction of a second. So the first example that we are going to take is to divide the number 41,111 by 9. The first step here is we write down the number 41,111 and we put a shade on the unit digit, which is 1 here, to indicate that the remainder is going to come in the last level of the answer. So we are going to divide this number by 9. This is totally different to the conventional way of doing division. This method is applicable only to divide numbers by 9. So the first step here is you take the number 4 and write the number 4 below. Now take the 4 and put it below the number 1. You now add the numbers 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 gives 5. You repeat the same process for the other numbers. You take the number 5 now and put it below the next one and add 1 and 5 together. 1 plus 5 gives 6. Take the number 6, put it below the number 1, and if you add 1 plus 6, you get 7. And you do the same step for the last number as well. Take the number 7, put it below 1, 1 plus 7 gives 8. If you look at the screen, you have already got your quotient and remainder. The quotient here is 4,567 and the remainder is 8. All you have done is simple set of additions and you are able to divide a number by 9 in a very straightforward way. So the final quotient here is 4,567 and the remainder is 8. Now this is one of the simplest examples because the numbers were very smaller in nature, like 4, 1, 1, 1. We will see a couple of more examples where the numbers are slightly bigger, which may end up generating carry, and how do you handle those carries in those cases. So moving on to our second example in this episode, we take the number 23,217 and divide that by 9. So we write 23,217 and divide that by 9. As before, the first step, write down the number 2 straight away. Take the 2 across, put it below 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Write the 5 next to the 2. Take the 5, put it below the 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Write down the 7. Take the 7, put it below 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Finally, take the 8, put it below the 7, which is the unit digit in 23,217. 7 plus 8 is 15. If you look at the remainder, 15, the remainder is greater than the divisor, which is 9. So in these cases, you need to repeat the process of division again by treating the number 15 as the new number. To explain that, you have got the major quotient part, which is 2578. If you simply divide 15 by 9, you know that the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 6. So you have to add 1 to the quotient and leave 6 as the remainder for the final answer. However, we will try and divide 15 also by the same process. 15 and 9, so we saw that 15 is greater than 9. So we are going to repeat the process now. So the way we are going to do that is we are going to write 1 and 5, similar to how we wrote the original number. And we put the 1 straight away, then you add 1 to 5, leaving a final remainder of 6. So you have to add the 2578 quotient part with the 1 that you got from 15. Final quotient here is 2579 and the final remainder is 6. Basically, we have done it like a two-step process. You can still do it in a single step. We will see an interesting approach in the next example where we will introduce the concept of bar digits, which will simplify this whole division process and get you the answer in a single line. So it's going to be the same example, 23,217 by 9, but with bar digits. So if you are new to bar digits, we will put a video on what bar digits is all about in a later episode. But for now, you can know that you can write 23,217 as 23,223 with a bar on 3. So which is same as 23220 minus 3. 23217. So instead of writing 23217, we write 2322 bar 3 and we repeat the whole division by 9 again. The first step, write down the 2 as it is. 3 plus 2 is 5. Put the 5 next to 2. Take the 5, add the 5 and 2 together, you get 7. Take the 7, add it with the 2, you get 9. Take the 9, when you come to the last step here, you are adding it with bar 3. Bar 3 is to be treated as a minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So if you look at this particular example, we have removed all the big numbers from the original question and we have replaced it with smaller bar digits. So we are able to get the answer in a single line in a much more straightforward way. Final answer is same as what we got in the previous example. The quotient is 2579 and the remainder is 6. So that completes example 3. We will see one more example now which involves the carry digits, and we will also see the same example written with a bar digit. So our example 4 is 40,357 divided by 9. So write down 40357. They are going to divide that by 9. The steps are going to be exactly the same. Start with the 4, put the 4 straight down. Now add 4 to the 0. When you add 0 and 4, you get another 4. Now write the 4 below the 3. 3 plus 4 gives 7. Write the 7 below the 5. 7 plus 5 gives 12. And write the 12 below 7. 7 plus 12 gives 19. Now if you look at the quotient and the remainder part, the remainder is greater than the divisor, so we need to repeat the process again. And you also have a carry in 12, which you need to add to the 7 to make the quotient as 4482. Before that, let us see how we can split the number 19 here. So write it as 1 and 9, put the 1, when you add the 1 then back with 9, you get a 10. Still the remainder is greater than the divisor, so you have to repeat the process with 10. So we are not showing that here, but when you do it with 10, you get a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 1. So the final quotient in the whole division then becomes 4482 plus 1 plus another 1, 4484, and the net remainder that we have is 1. So that completes this example. Now if you see here, as long as your divisor becomes greater than the remainder, we need to keep repeating the same division process again and again. But this can be greatly simplified if your digits are fairly small to begin with. That's where the use of bar digits becomes very important and proves to be a very powerful approach for us. So we are going to see the same example now rewritten with bar digits. You can write 40,357 as 40443 with a bar on 43. So basically what you are saying here is 40,400 less 43 is 4357. So you can do the division with 404, bar 4 and bar 3 instead of the number 40357. To begin with, start with the number 9, write the 4 as before, put the 4 below 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, take this 4, write it down the number below the number 4 again, 4 plus 4 gives 8, take the 8, if you add 8 to the bar 4, you get 4, finally take the 4, if you add the 4 to bar 3, you get 1. So this time you don't have a chain of divisions that needs to be done. You have got your final answer in one line. So the final answer here, the quotient is 4484 and the remainder is 1. So that completes our example 5 and that concludes this episode as well. Practice this technique with a pen and a paper, and as you practice you will find that dividing a number by 9 is so simple and straightforward. And if you can help Jiku is trying to do the division by 9 and she has got the following numbers on the board. If you are able to help her, write your steps in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you with another interesting method next time. Thank you.